been going on for centuries once a year in Siena. They can't stop it now. 1937 being apparently an Oxford year, there's a rush of clerical collars to Lord's to see the dark blues win. At first it doesn't look likely that they will, when Yardley makes a century for Cambridge. But Grover, there's only time to show him walking back to the pavilion, replies with a century for Oxford, to the intense excitement of the spectators. Eventually Barton, with a steady 74, and Kimpton, 52, knock off the runs for Oxford. And they win by 7 wickets. Well rowed Oxford.